Hi, this is Mel from Bread and Sniff, and today we are making the Kiwi classic Afghan biscuits. I'm pretty sure you've all tried this at home, but this is my recipe. It's easy, it's finished in 30 minutes, and something you can put in your lunch boxes for the rest of the week. So we're going to start off by using 200 grams of butter that's softened and placed into a bowl. And then along with my little helper Leo, we're going to put in half a cup of brown sugar. We will then take a hand beater and we're going to whisk that mixture until it becomes pale and fluffy. Once mixed together, we're going to add 1.5 cups of sifted plain flour, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and gently fold that together. When the mixture is fully combined, add 2 cups of cornflakes, which I've just crushed together with my hands so that the pieces aren't too large. Once combined, take a dessert spoon's worth of mixture and roll it into a ball. Flatten them all with a fork and then place in the oven at 180 degrees for anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. Allow your biscuits to cool, then coat with chocolate icing and a walnut on top. So that's our completed recipe for Afghan biscuits. If you want to see more or you want to subscribe, please go to our website or follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.